jump in. So let me start by asking you this question. Is this how your hair feels every time you wash your hair? Knotted, irritable, messy. And how about your skin? Does it really feel soft, smooth, and silky as it once used to do? Or has it become so rough and horrible you'd rather hide yourself at parties? And are you spending your hard-earned money on hair conditioners and skin moisturizers? Well, guess what? That's not really the solution, because the real culprit is the tap water that we use almost every day to wash our hair, to rinse our mouth, to have a bath and so on. Because tap water has chlorine and other so many harmful chemicals that are so very really harmful to your skin and hair. And you know what? I wonder if you've ever realized, research shows that having a 15-minute bath in tap water is equivalent to drinking 1 liter of tap water. Imagine. We all spend so much money on bottled water, to avoid drinking the impurities in the tap water. And we actually end up consuming that same tap water every time we have a bath. How horrific is that, right? Now, the solution really is in a wonderful product called anespa, which is from enagic of Japan, which is a shower unit or a bath unit, and which actually transforms your home tap water into a mineral ion water spa. How cool is that, yeah? Now, you might be wondering, how really does that happen? And the answer is very simple. anespa removes almost 100% of the residual chlorine in your tap water, yeah? And basically it does so because it's the first of its kind that's uniquely designed with a twin cartridge system. The inner ceramic cartridge has ceramic balls from Futamata Radium Hot Spring and Chikutan, and the external cartridge has activated carbon fiber, which sort of removes all the impurities, fungus, and dust from the tap water. All right. Now, it actually contains a blend of natural hot spring ingredients and minerals. These are tufa, mixed stone or MIC stone, and power stone, which together create the mineral ion water and give you a unique feeling of enjoying radium hot spring, and it enhances your relaxation. All right. Let's leave the technicalities aside for a while and see what people who use anespa actually have to say. All right. Now let me read a few of these testimonials from among the thousands that are out there. Okay. Now this says here, we have owned our anespa for 4.5 years. I truly believe that it has helped my skin look and remain at its best. When I get out of my shower, my skin feels absolutely amazing, like I've been to a resort every day. And just the fact that I know 100% of the residual chlorine has been removed give me great satisfaction that it's having a healthy as well as beautifying effect on my skin. If you do not protect yourself from harmful and toxifying chemicals in your bath and shower, it will show up as you age. All right. Now, I'm sure you'll excuse me for blanking out the names for the sake of privacy of the people who put it there. But as you can see, I've taken it from Facebook over here, right? The second one reads, I love my anespa. It makes my skin and my hair so soft, even with a hard water in Florida. We love it so much, we take it with us on a vacation to a beach house rental. Yeah, actually, it's a good point. It's such a portable and easy to do unit, easy to fix unit that actually you can carry it along whenever you go anywhere. All right. Now, the third one says, our water here in paradise is filled with chlorine. Of course, off the charts, as it says here. I couldn't bathe without my anespa. The difference is amazing. My hair is squeaky clean with no conditioners. I compare it to bathing in the mountain waters of Costa Rica. A divine experience. Love my anespa. Note. And here's one which says, I wasn't sure how much I would like my anespa, but I love it. My skin is so soft that I don't need to use lotion afterwards. Note this. And it makes my hair amazingly soft, shiny, and very manageable too. And I love that the anespa is designed for use in the shower and the bathtub. Yeah, this is a very good point. You can use it for both the shower and the bathtub. All right. Now, again, to reiterate, a couple of cool reasons. As we saw, it removes 100% of the residual chlorine from the tap water, and it's very simple and easy to install. All right, it's literally a do-it-yourself model, so that you can even take it along. If you're a frequent traveler, you can even take it along and fix it wherever you stay, your other homes, your holiday homes, your hotels, whatever it is. All right, it doesn't require any electricity. There are no pre-filters, etc., to be attached, and it works with any kind of water, hard water, soft water, doesn't matter really, and it requires almost no maintenance. Well, I'm sure you caught on to the word almost over here, right? So let me explain. Well, anespa has two cartridges basically, one on the external and one on the internal. The internal one is a ceramic cartridge and the external one is the water purification cartridge, okay? Now the external one gets replaced approximately once a year. Why do I say approximately? Because it depends on the water quality in your home. And this one costs approximately $100, all right, US. So it amounts to saying that every year you need to spend about $100 to replace this, okay? It lasts for 1 year, so that's a pretty good thing, all right? Now, the ceramic cartridge, for that matter, is something that you have to replace only once in roughly 3 years, again, depending on the water quality, a few months plus or minus, but roughly 3 years, and that costs you approximately $250, all right? So, this is all the maintenance there is to it. There's absolutely no other moving parts, nothing that goes bad. And as I said, this is a product that comes from Japan, so it's it's totally reliable. People have been using it for years and have been extremely happy about it. So this is about the total expense that you would have in terms of maintenance. And I'm sure you'll agree that this is a very, very small price to pay for your beautiful hair and skin, right? That's pretty precious indeed. Your body is precious, all right? Now the product by itself costs $2890 $2,890 or $2,890, however you like to call it. Now, give room for a fact that, depending on where you stay, there might be some local taxes and the transportation charges, yeah? So, give or take, it's roughly around $2,890, all right? Now, a little on the product specification, it generates, like we saw, mineral ion water for your bath or shower, right from your tap water, yeah? The pH range, it really doesn't change because it's the same as your tap water. It weighs just 2.5 kilos, and in terms of dimensions, 130 by 346 millimeters. Production rate is 2.6 liters per minute, so that's pretty good, yeah? You could have an amazing shower. You'll really enjoy it. It's really easy to install and operate, like we saw, and it comes with 3 years warranty, okay? So that's amazing, and it's redesigned for an effective filter replacement process. So you don't really have to worry about, can I manage it by myself? It's an absolutely no-brainer. All right. Now the product also comes to you from Enagic of Japan, which is a very, very well-known company for its product called Kangen water machines. All right. It's really been used in thousands and thousands of homes all over the world. Now, the company is a long-standing company. It's been there for 43 years, and it is certified as a medical-grade equipment manufacturer, which means that you can be sure that the product that you receive is made of the highest quality, in terms of the manufacturing process.